Hello people, good morning, good afternoon or good evening depending on which part of the world you're watching me from. Guys, it's really going to get crazy. Video editing on AI. Trust me, if you're a content creator, you understand that it's very tedious for you to start putting together all the clips and then putting all the touches, to make a video. It's not funny. But in today's video, I'm going to introduce you to a platform, an AI platform that will empower you to be able to create and edit your video with a snap. Trust me. My name is Joe. I'm your tech handyman. If today is the first time of you stumbling upon this channel, please do well to subscribe, like, comment, and of course turn on the notification that anytime I upload an amazing expose like this, you'll be the very first to know. Now get your system set up. We are ready. Please get
started. Type in
Descript.com
on your Google search bar, click enter, it takes you here. This is the landing page. So you have two options here, either to sign in or to sign up, but I'm going to sign up here and then click on sign up. Then once you click on that, it takes you to the sign up page, which is something like this. So you'll be given an option to use your Google mail, which is what I'm doing. So click on sign in with Google. It takes me here. Select the particular Google account you want to use, and once that is done, it starts downloading the app on your system. So once it's done and it launches, just click open, and it takes you here. So you are gonna, this is like your root folder in this particular app. So you just select the theme size and click OK. Here I'll just click continue. This is just the basic setup wizard, trying to get a bit of info about you. Okay, so here as the same thing, I select video and continue. So this is where it happens. All your projects will be here, so you can see recent projects will appear in this place. Okay, so you have your quick recordings. They will also appear here in case you made any recordings. Now shared with me, you can actually share your recordings here. Then your downloaded recordings and jobs will be here. Then if you have any voices here or voiceovers here, this is where you see it. And then here you will see your templates here, but you have to upgrade to a paid plan to be able to see the templates. So you can set your account. You can actually on a free plan. That's it. So going back to the recent project, you can see start creating with Descript. You can create from there, or you can try Descript for web. That is the one I told you about. You can try for web, but right now we go to new project. Once you click on the new project, the first thing you want to do is to give your project a title, and once that is done, you choose a file, or you start recording, or start writing, or you start from a template. So in this case, I will if you click on recording, you can record audio only, your camera or on screen. So in this case, I'm going to go to start writing. I can write a script here and the video will show on this preview screen. So going back to projects now, this is the project I just labeled, I just titled Descript demo. So once we get here, I'll just click on choose a file to transcribe. Here I'll just upload the file I want to use. Then you have the option to input the speaker name, so that anytime you come around, if you want it to use the same name. So in this case, I will just use Joe as the name. Once you're done, the default language is English. You can change it to any language that fits your purpose, and then click done once you are done. So this is it. This is exactly how it looks. This is the transcript of the video. So if I play on it, the video may not sound so good, but this is exactly where the transcript. You can edit it from here and can edit it on the timeline as well. For instance, if I highlight the part of it and then click delete, so I'm play, you can see automatically the part I highlighted is cut out. I can also edit it here on the timeline by dragging it all together. So once I take my hands off, it's done. So it plays from that exact position. So here you can use this place to set your video. Oh, this is actually the landscape. You can decide to make a square. Excuse me. You can decide to make a portrait, and then you can also decide to use advanced settings to be able to set everything, including your frame rate. You can choose whatever frame rate you want to use. Okay, so once that is done, you can come right back to this place. If you want to add anything, just click on that small plus and it takes you here. You can file into script, you can do scenes, marker, and a whole lot of things, but I just want to add text on top of my video as an overlay. So you click on text. Once you just click on text like so, it will come out. So I will type anything here, like this is an intro. then you can actually format the text to the right side. For instance, I want to change the font, and I want to use this particular font. That's it. I want to align it anyhow I want it. Then I want to add color to it. I can adjust a whole lot of things pertaining to the text right here, including the color. Okay, so this is how it is. Then again, if you scroll down, you see border. I can add border to the text. And basically this part is just to show you how to format the text if you have a text on your video. Here I can put the shadow, I can input it like that. Then for the animation, I can decide to do spin or custom. So in this case I will do spin. So for instance, if I play the video as it is now, leaving it at spin, you discover that when the video is playing, you can see the text spinning around just like that. So here you can come here, correct, overdub, or write just like so, easily. And here you can use this place to shorten word gaps. If you have so many gaps in your word, for instance, this is 3 seconds or more, you can ask it to shorten it, and it will be done in a jiffy. So once that is done, you can check out the this button to see what you can add to it. Files, the videos are here. The background, you can change it from here as well. And in this case, I just want to try out a particular background and see how it flows. So I will select these are background, but when you see this one, they are paid. You have to upgrade to be able to use them, but this one is free, that doesn't have the level. So I would just want to click on it and then add it on the video. So when I play, you can see how that happens. That is it right there. Everything is stacked on each other. Anything you add to it. So we go to script. You can remove script from source files and anything. Here you can work on the background, and then you can add effect. You can add blur, adjust color, and pixelate, as a matter of fact. So, and you can even do transitions here. For instance, you can transition in. There are a whole lot of options here: fade, cross blur, out, the same thing. So in this case, I just want to try one. So you see cross zoom. If you leave it, you can see how nicely it zooms, just like so. And then again, you can see studio sound. You can, if you toggle this, the sound would be as if you have edited it in a professional video, just like so. Here you can add the green screen, put a green screen on it. So if you see me play like that, look at that, it's taken out, the background is taken out. And then for the animation, you can actually zoom and pan. You can zoom in, you can spin, you can do custom animations. Let's try the spin and see. So when the video is playing, you can see it spinning around like so. So easy to achieve. These are things you don't achieve easily on other video editors. So you go to opacity. If you want to take out the text that we put earlier, you can see the text is out. And then once you're done, click on publish and then export. You can do your settings here. Okay, you can actually do some settings here before you export to ensure that it gets to position. You can set the resolution. This is 720 because we are using the free plan. You can upgrade to shoot as high as 4K if you upgrade. Here is the medium quality. You can take it to high when you are exporting the metadata. And of course, you can remove watermark. Of course, they will be taking out your credits. Once you are done with that, you will click on export and your video will be exported. Guys, this is how this platform works.